Mosquitoes are serious. I don't believe in bug spray. It's bad for the environment. All right. Yeah, he's coming. They are. All right, guys, so I just got some bait. I'm down here at the local marina right by my house. Planning on doing a little fishing today. Just kind of want to get some lunch, nothing crazy. Hopefully get my daily limit on some mangrove snapper. That is the target species of the day. All right, well, let's get to it. Mosquitoes are serious. I don't believe in bug spray. It's bad for the environment. Let me just show you guys what I'm working with today. Just frozen cut up bait. Little pilchies. Get these at the local marina right down the street from my house, and at the moment haven't been able to go get bait for myself as far as with the cast net. Gotta go get one of them. The one that I have in my brother's house I think has a hole in it. I'm not too sure, but regardless, we're here getting bit up by mosquitoes. It's gonna be a great morning. Let's get to it. Current's moving pretty good. May have to throw in a little split shot weight on that. Typically what I like to start is just kind of tossing a larger bait out there before cutting up anything. I don't want to get the little ones too stirred up. There are a couple other people fishing out here, so I also like to see what the current's doing. Seems like it's a little strong today, rolling under this bridge, but we're gonna work with what we can. If I gotta throw a little split shot weight on it, I will. Change up the tactic here a little bit. I'm gonna throw a little split shot on there. See if it works its way down a little bit, and see if I can sneak one of these bigger ones out of this mangroves. Because I know there's a bigger one in there. That first bite when I said I had to put a nice big pilcher on there without even throwing any bait in the water yet. There was a little bit of a tug on that one. Might have been just a small one with a lot of action behind it, but we'll see. Throw a little weight on there and let it sink. See what we can get. See if we can get it again. The issue here is when you do get a bite, they're gonna roll up in those mangrove roots. Try not to get tangled up in there. Yep, and there is something there. And he's little. And what is this? Hey, look at that, guys. And this little schoolmaster. Not really what I'm after today, but pretty cool. Careful getting these hooks out, guys. These guys do bite, and they're called snappers for a reason. I'll show you on that screen real quick. Cool looking dude. So those blue stripes on there. You can definitely tell it's a schoolmaster just from the coloration, the yellow, and that blue line that runs across there. I'll throw you back in, buddy. Not good for lunch. Pretty. Not good for lunch. I can't believe he ate that whole snapper. I mean, that whole pilchard. There's the big one. That might be a keeper. That's what we're looking for. That is what we are looking for, guys. And that hooking, can't get any better than that. Beautiful fish. Yeah, mango snapper. So that last one was just shy of 12. Rule of thumb for myself, let them grow, let them get bigger. Hey guys, it's Eddie with Tactical Nature. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little rundown on the gist of the channel and what is to be expected basically out of this. Born and raised in Florida Keys, been here more than 90% of my life, I would say. Moved around here and there, but most of my life has been right here in the bottom of the map of Florida. I grew up fishing, free diving, spear fishing, did a little hunting, always been an outdoorsman, and just kind of wanted to share my passion and my education that I have and my knowledge in regards to the experiences that I've had over my life. I'm 33 years old. I got 2 beautiful little boys and a beautiful wife. And it's funny, I'm kind of living out my childhood dreams now as an adult, but here we are. You can expect to see a lot of cool stuff in the future. Right now, I'm kind of like in limbo, trying to figure out ways to make videos and make the time for it. It's kind of hard to find secluded areas that you can kind of, you know, separate yourself from society a little bit. And that doesn't mean I'm going to stop. So that won't stop me from coming out and at least giving it a go. The beauty of it all is that you get to see, I guess, the growth. I have big plans for this channel and hope to tag you guys along with me. It's going to be an adventure. Plan on doing lots of adventures in the future as well. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get Tactical Nature on the map and grow this channel. All right, cool. So I was able to get 1 snapper. I was catching a lot of fish today, but they're all undersized, unfortunately. But the main mission of the goal today was A, let's get a video done, and B, let's get some fish for some fish tacos. So let's get to the filleting portion. Frying them up till they get a little golden brown on each side. I'd say about 2 minutes on each side. Almost done, look at that. Oh, and in case you guys were wondering what I use for the breading, this is like my favorite breading. I don't know if you can get this outside of Florida. I'm sure you can, maybe if you order it. But Florida Seafood Seasonings, key lime fish fry. Love the stuff. Can't forget the most important ingredient. And definitely don't want a seed. Quick QS lunch, guys. Fried fish tacos, mango snapper style.